Hey guys, it's me Slab. Today I'm back into another video. Today I'm going to be doing a video on how to make slime. So I'm going to show you guys how to make slime. So basically what you're going to need is contact solution. This has not been used, we just got this. You are going to need food coloring. These have been used. It doesn't matter if they've been used or not. You're also going to need some glue. Elmer's glue I think is the best option. It doesn't matter if it's clear or not. And then we also need shaving cream. So I haven't opened up the shaving cream yet, or maybe I have, to make sure this works. Okay, it works. So first what you're gonna want to do, put in the contact solution. So how much, you know what, frick it. Can I even take off the whole thing? No, I cannot. Okay. So you're going to put in a lot of contact solution. It smells weird. Oh, it smells so weird. But you can put more in, okay? Oh, and guys, the food coloring is optional. It doesn't matter if you want it or not. If you just want it to be white, you can totally do that. So next what you're going to do is the glue. So I'm taking this full thing off. And I don't care about this thing, okay? Great, okay, I need a napkin. Okay, so put a lot of glue in there. That's a good bit. So guys, this is what it should look like. I don't want to spill it too much. That's what it should look like though. Hopefully you guys could see that really well. Now we're gonna add some of the shaving cream. So put in the shaving cream. And then I'm going to put in a little bit more glue and some more contact solution because the more the better. Okay, now you're going to need a spoon. You're going to need a spoon. It doesn't matter as long as it's good at mixing. Ow, it's not closing. Freaking spoon in the way. Okay, so next you're going to... Okay, I didn't need the spoon quite yet. So next you're going to get your food coloring. You're just going to like dot it a little bit around everywhere. If it will come out. If your guys is coming out, okay. So guys, I'm doing mine blue. You can literally do it any color you want. So now, time for the mixing. Hey guys, it's turning out good. Just maybe a little more mixing, a little more contact solution. That's good. More speeding. Okay guys, so at this point it should be just about done. So we have all this. Look at that. That's cool. Okay. So, oh, wow. Okay. So put that in the bowl if there's even excess. Okay, so now you have your slime, guys. So look at this. Look at this. That's so cool. Look at that. So yeah, that's how to make slime. I'm gonna, you know what? What the heck? Okay. I'm gonna add more shaving cream because why the heck not? It just looks like more glue. It doesn't look like shaving cream at all. Okay, grab the spoon again. Time for more mixing. Okay, this is doing good. We need more food coloring. Okay, I think that's enough. Guys, you can also mix colors if you want. The food coloring doesn't like really add a touch besides more liquid. Oh god, that's a lot of glue. I should not have added that much more glue. Okay. Not glue, food coloring. What am I talking about? Okay. So there we go. We got slime. How amazing is that? So guys, if this works, put in the comment section below. And make this at 3 a.m. I might do a video on it. So, whoa. Guys, it just got clean out of the bowl. Look, it's just clean out of the bowl. I took the whole thing out. Whoa. Oh, crap. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, so I think this needs more into a bigger bowl, and we need more slime. So, and I also need to wash my hands. So, yeah. Speed this. Okay, so guys, we got the smaller bowl right here. Now all we really are gonna do, put the slime. Oh crap! Put the slime into a bigger bowl, or at least that's what I'm gonna do. Half of this stuff you don't even need to do, guys. I'm just like showing you guys. Oh, look at this! Oh my god, that's so cool. Okay. Okay. Did you hear that pop? Oh my goodness. This is so fun. Okay, we're gonna make more slime. So, once again, do the same steps. Contact solution. Contact solution. It just bounces off. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's bouncing off of the slime. Okay, I've actually probably added enough contact solution for the new batch. Okay, spreading that in there. Oh, it's so slimy on the bottom now. What a great way to start this off. Okay. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, put more fruit. Actually, no. We need more glue. If it'll come out correctly. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. Next, we need more shaving cream. So add that. There we go. Now, time for more mixing. So guys, you guys don't have to make. You can make as much slime as you want. Just make sure you don't make a big mess, because obviously that's what I'm doing. You don't want to get grounded, and then I'm gonna be like, oh, I'm so sorry, and then my mom might not let me do videos. That would be bad. So this is kind of a risky video, because I'm making a mess. JK, I'm not making a mess, but this is so cool. Okay, now Narnia. Okay, now I'm gonna add more food coloring. I'm not gonna add as much as last time, because last time it was way too blue. And now what I'm gonna do for this batch, I'm gonna make a mix of colors. So I might as well get green. There's also yellow right there. So we got green with a mix of blue. Oh god, this is gonna turn out turquoise. That's a cool color. Oh, it's even gonna come out. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, so now we got that. Spoonie, where are you? Okay, we got the green. Oh, this looks so cool. That looks so cool. I should have done it all green. Oh, especially because that's the channel color, you know. Okay, so this is really cool. You guys should try this at home. I might do a video 3 a.m. about this. I'm probably not going to, because, you know, we did the 3 a.m. challenge, as you saw in my birthday video. If you didn't see that, make sure you go check it out. We did the 3 a.m. challenge in it. I didn't vlog it, but we did it. And creepy things happened. So, I'm going to add more. Okay, that's enough. Jeez. I put a lot. I put more green right here than I did blue a few times ago. Oh, this is so cool. Look at this. That's so cool. Look at that. Oh, that's so dope. Look at that. Whoops. Okay. So we still have this. Yo, that's so cool. Yo, guys. Okay. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a fat thumbs up. Make sure to also subscribe. Make sure to hit that subscribe button in the face. And I'll see you guys next time in the next freaking video. Oh my god, guys, this is so cool. Okay, but anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!